The Duke of York, 61, has officially conceded proper service of process in the New York lawsuit filed against him by alleged Jeffrey Epstein victim Virginia Giuffre, previously known as Virginia Roberts. The acceptance of service marks the latest development in the ongoing civil lawsuit against the royal family member. Following Prince Andrew's acceptance that the papers have been served on him, he must now respond to the lawsuit from his accuser by the 29th of October. The conceding of the papers came by the Duke's legal team, who in a joint stipulation filed on Friday, September 24 in Manhattan Federal Court, confirmed the receipt. The Duke's attorneys stated they had received copies of the summons and complaint in the suit, which alleges sexual assault and sexual battery against the royal. The Duke of York has repeatedly denied all allegations made against him. The latest twist in the legal drama comes after the prince faced accusations he was evading responding to the allegations by claiming that court papers in the case had not been properly served to him. A stipulation has been signed by both legal parties representing Prince Andrew, and Virginia Giuffre, which requests the cancellation of a preliminary hearing marked for October 13. The joint stipulation, which has been shared widely on social media, also sets the date for effective service of process as of September 21. Following standard legal protocol, the Duke's legal team would traditionally have 21 days to file a response to the initial complaint, meaning that the deadline would be October 12. However, the agreement highlighted that legal representatives for both Prince Andrew and his accuser Virginia Giuffre spoke on the phone on September 21 to hammer out an agreement. During the call, the parties both agreed to extend the time the prince has to respond to the lawsuit until October 29. The concession was agreed to by Ms. Giuffre's team in return for a guarantee that Andrew would not attempt to challenge service of process. The joint request will need to be ruled over by U.S. District Judge Lewis A. Kaplan, who is overseeing the case. It is likely the judge will accept as both parties in the case have agreed to it. It comes as last week, the Duke's lawyer Andrew B. Bretler claimed that the legal papers had not been properly served in the UK, as the documents were left with a policeman at the gate of the Prince's Windsor residence. The filing of the stipulation marks the latest development in the prince's ongoing U.S. court battle with his accuser, who claims that she was forced by Jeffrey Epstein to have sex with the Duke on 3 separate occasions between 2000 and 2002 when she was 17. Ms. Giuffre is seeking unspecified damages from the Duke, in the case where she accuses him of sexual assault and intentional infliction of emotional distress. ITV News royal editor Chris Shipp shared portions of the agreement on Twitter, starting his thread by writing, "The clock is ticking." The royal correspondent said it was remarkable that Prince Andrew, the second son of Queen Elizabeth II, being referred to as defendant on the paperwork. He said, "It's still remarkable to see court papers which list the Queen's second son as a defendant." Virginia L. Giuffre, plaintiff, v. Prince Andrew, Duke of York, a.k.a. Andrew Albert Christian Edward, in his personal capacity, defendant.